Alright, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. So today's video, I am going to be rehousing my Mexican Red Rump Ozai here. As you saw in a previous video, I did recently rehouse Yzma into a nice large enclosure. And so I'm going to be taking Ozai and moving her, or moving him, or whatever, I'm not really sure his gender, into Yzma's old enclosure right here. It is a lot higher than what he has now, as you can see, and also provides him with a little bit more ground space. As you can see, there's quite a lot of extra space around that he would be getting. And I'm going to end up putting about the soil maybe a little over halfway in this, so that he's got plenty of space to burrow, because he is a really big burrower, and is all about that. So I want to give him plenty of space to be able to do that. So it's not a very huge upgrade, but he's still actually pretty small, and doesn't really even need the upgrade. But I figure if this container is available and he likes burrow and is pretty much like getting to an end of how much he can burrow and what he's in now, that I'll just go ahead and upgrade him to this. Now, of course, I will be using this tarantula substrate here. It's supposed to be pretty good. It's what I've been using since I've started with tarantulas, and it has not been a problem for me, so I'm going to continue to use it. It's what I recently picked up from the Reptile Expo. So go ahead and take you guys along with me as I go ahead and get this set up and ready to go, and do a quick rehousing of Ozai.
One eternity later.
So there we go. My goodness. God, that took so much time. He was just not trying to go in for the life of him. Just wasn't trying to have it. Just wasn't. But I got him in, so there we go. I'm all shaky. Sorry for the shaky camera, but goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. That took a lot. That took a lot. But there he is. There's Ozai, my Mexican Red Rump. He is looking fantastic. So good. So good. And he is now in his new spacious home, where he's got a lot more room to move around on the top, as well as he's got lots of burrowing space for himself. So, there you have it. There is Ozai in his new home. Alright, you all take care. Love yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, love your arachnids, and you guys keep spreading those herps.